John, fel tîm, ydych chi'n hapus o'r pwynt?
Ynddi, mae'n pwynt enfawr iddyn ni dros y cyfnod dolyg yma. Ath ni fewn i'r gêm angen pwyntiau ar y bod i fod yn onest efo chi, felly na, mae'r hogia gyd yn hapus.
Dim llawer yn y gêm. Wedyn ni ar hanner amser oedd bod fel gathen nhw 1 neu 2 siawns, gathen ni 1 neu 2 siawns. Yn credu ni gathodd y siawns sgorau o'r gêm. Yn anffodus, nath y golygwedd sef gwych gwir fel. Yn yr un pryd i fod yn fferi Bala, a nhw wedi cael 1 neu 2 siawns da hefyd. So, fi'n credu pwynt yn digon teg.
Colin, pleased with the point in the end?
Not really. I thought we played well in the first half. Thought we bossed the game, but not without creating a lot in the first half. We didn't create any good chances really, but they never looked as though they were ever going to score. They never looked as though they were going to ever score in the game. But Joel's made a double save. Apart from that, they've never ever troubled us. We were really comfortable and never ever got into attacking areas. But we need to do better in the final third. Joe Melkin, George Newell when he came on, Las Mendes, Louis Robles, they've all got to come up, turn up to the table, and they haven't done it today. We need one of them with the class that we've got to put one in the back of the net, and that's just the difference for us. We've defended really well. We always defend really well, but we need somebody to score away from home. We've had too many draws.
So mae rhaid ni'n neud lle yma yn lle anodd i tîm ei dod. So gêm anodd nawr yn holl ffordd New Year's Day. Bydd anodd, bydd digon y crowd lawr na fi'n credu ar y pitch newydd, ond fi'n newid gweud y boes nawr to bod ni'n mynd lawr na i sbor ar parti gobeithio.
Edrych yn ôl dros y diwrnodiad dwytha, ydych chi'n cael 2 gêm gartra yn erbyn Gaernarfon a heddiw yn erbyn Bala, a ydych chi'n chwilio cael 4 pwynt?
Fel ni'n dweud, mae'n enfawr iddyn ni fel clwb. Pwysig o'n bod ni dal fyny efo'r tîm uwch benna ni, ac fel mae hoci wedi dweud, mae'r ras ymlaen i aros yn y gyngrau.
To stay in the top 6, like I say, we've patching up every week and trying to get lads on the pitch, and but like I used that excuse too many times throughout the season so far. But it's important now that we focus on the next 2 league games that are left. Carnarvon at home on New Year's Eve, and then Connaskey away, which is going to be difficult. But it's important that we perform. We performed really well against Barry, and 4 points over the festive period is good. If we can get another 3 points against Carnarvon, I'll be happy.